going over the max and min functions. So the max function will just tell you what the maximum number is in a range of cells, and the min, as you would expect, gives you the minimum number in that range of cells. So this data is taken from at NFL Faster, where the offensive team is the Indianapolis Colts, and the defensive team is the Jacksonville Jaguars. This was from week 17 of the 2019 season. So the max function is really easy. It is simply equal max, and then you put in your range of cells. Very similar to the same way that the sum or mean formulas work. So here I want to know what the maximum yards gained were. What was the biggest play the Colts had in the game? So I'm just going to select column N here, as that's all of the yards per play, and the max was 33 yards. So that means the biggest play of the game for the Colts was 33 yards from the line of scrimmage. So we'll call that max. And then min is very similar to the max function. It is going to be equal min. And again, I'll go to all of column N here for the yards gained. So it will be N through N. N bracket, enter, -11. That is the minimum yards gained on a play. So the least the Colts got on a play was -11 yards. Now, if we want to just go through and check here and manually check it, are there any numbers bigger than 33 or smaller than -11? And as we're going down, there don't appear to be any so far. Here's the -11. There's a few other negatives, -4, but those are still bigger than the -11. And overall, the 33 is clearly the biggest number. So these formulas work just as they should. And these formulas are going to help you get a sense when you're game planning to see what their biggest play of the game was and what play they had the biggest trouble with. And you can also do it for player stats, where which player had the most targets or the most catches or anything along those lines.